Spin down the block, we let off shots. You know that chopper saying. This ain't no diss, we send a blitz, ain't got no time for games. Can't set me up, I keep it tucked, no, I can't lose my brain. Up the clock.
What's good, YouTube? Back with another video. And in this video, as y'all can tell by the title, what is the name of the food?
Natural cereal.
We're gonna be trying natural cereal that's trending right now on TikTok and YouTube. So, we couldn't find the
pomegranates.
We couldn't find the pomegranate,
Yeah,
so we might.
Pomegranates like seasonal, so.
Yeah, it was seasonal.
Yeah, like they only come out different seasons, so.
So, should we put grapes instead of pomegranates, or just leave it like we leave it?
What you want to do?
We might add grapes to it. We might see how it tastes with some grapes. But I wish we could have got the pomegranates. We went to like 3 or 4 different stores. So we still gonna try the we still gonna try the nature cereal.
Yeah.
So y'all stay tuned, like, comment, and subscribe.
Let's get right
into the video. Also, you guys, so we have company, so we couldn't do it inside the living room. So we're gonna do it the ghetto way, and we're gonna have it over my dresser. So basically, I'm gonna put the ring light up higher a little bit more, and it should be able to get us in the food. So y'all stay tuned. Let's get into the video. Okay, you guys, we got our water, we got our fruit right here. So we got raspberries, so, and blueberries,
and
strawberries. So we got coconut water. So we're gonna get these foods. We're gonna get this fruit clean, and then put them inside the bowl. So y'all stay tuned as we inside. Now we finna get to the worst part of the video, and also we need a spoon. So, but we're gonna get this inside. We're gonna get this inside the fruit first, and hopefully it marinate inside. Well, I hope it don't.
Let's shake it up. You say it come with pulp in it, yeah.
Come with pulp, so I know it's gonna be too much coconut.
Okay, you ready?
Taste it first.
Oh.
Ooh.
You don't smell it?
I see the pulp. Y'all ready?
No, smell it.
Tell me that, lemon. Y'all, this is a waste of fruit, bro.
Oh, look at the pulp.
I see. You guys, we don't have to cut the video. We're finna get the spoon.
Ouch.
Okay, you guys. So we got our...
We added some grapes, yeah.
Oh, yeah. We added some grapes. And we got our spoons. And I got another bowl. So let's dig in. Let's see how it is. Ready? Excuse the background, guys. How that go?
Okay.
Ready?
Ooh, I don't want no pulp.
I don't want no pulp either. I'm gonna get all my
Yeah,
fruits.
I can't really see. That's why I'm standing up. I'm sorry.
You like it?
Yeah. I'm just gonna dump my coconut water out.
I mean, I don't taste the coconut. I can't even taste the coconut. I can't even taste the coconut. Did you taste some plump? I taste the coconut now. I mean, not really. I can't really taste the coconut.
Yeah, I'm sorry, but I cannot eat that. But how you eating it?
I can't really taste the coconut.
I can't. Yeah, I give this a 1. But the fruit good, so when the video over, I want to dump my coconut water out and eat my fruit. I guess he gonna continue to eat his like that.
I mean, I can't taste the coconut, so.
Look, you don't taste that water? Yeah. Is mine expired or something? I'm sorry, I'm just 01/02/2022. No, it's expired. Well, and it's stained. I knew it was gonna be nice because it's stained.
It don't smell like nothing.
Let me smell yours. No, yours don't. Smell mine.
It don't smell like nothing.
Chris, you're not smelling. Smell again.
I got some
COVID.
Coke.
You got COVID, yeah.
If I had coke, I wouldn't be able to taste. Oh, I do smell it.
You smell it?
Yeah.
It smells like booty.
You guys stay tuned. We're gonna go dump this water out. I mean, I'm gonna still eat my fruit, but
Yeah.
I'm gonna dump this water out, and we're gonna talk to you guys when we get back.
Okay, you guys. What you took the pulp out of yours?
I took the pulp and I dumped the water out.
Yeah, me too.
I couldn't really taste it, y'all. It's not really tasteable. I don't know how people like it. I don't like coconut. But
I know why people don't like it because it's nasty.
She said it was nasty, but I couldn't really taste the coconut in it. So, I don't know. I guess the fruit cover up the coconut.
Not good enough.
And I don't really like the raspberries either.
Why the hell taste?
You know, it's just like, they dry. They dry to you? They dry and they not sweet. But these right here, y'all, sour. But the raspberries actually got a sour taste to it at the end too.
Yeah.
Alright, you guys. That's the end of this video.
What you give it though?
I couldn't really give it none. I couldn't taste the coconut.
I give it 1 out of 10. 5 to 0.
I give it a 3 out of 10 because of the fruit. I love fruit, y'all.
Well, guys, if you guys enjoyed that video, make sure you give it a like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know what type of video I want to see next. Until then,
peace.
Hey, when we fight time after time, the love that shit sure got me going insane. Doing 8 in the 30s, I'm losing my